Okay, here's some live trading. I have lost 500 bucks in the past 3 weeks. I'm sad. I'm gonna try and be a bit more chillaxed. So I've got 3 trades going. They're all like very small because I've been chillaxing. I'm just gonna set the stop loss on USD Japan to break even, because if we look at the minute chart, it's pretty safe. Let me go trades. USD Japan. So I just work it out like this. It says 25 pips up, so I'll make it like 23 pips. Stop loss. Done. So it'll be like here. Yep, that's pretty much break even. Like, worst case I will not lose. Yay. So looking at my program, we can trade Aussie New Zealand right now. The bonds are all doing interestingly. I wonder how the bond yield rate's gonna go. So Aussie Kiwi daily is just super range bound, but not quite. It's just bouncy, horrible range bound. We expect it to go down to there at least, maybe there. So the daily's down, the hourly's down, the minutely is down. I will set my stop loss up here, 109.088. Let me put a little line there so I can just copy it. I don't know about there. Not there. Magnets. That'll do. Copy the value. So we're going to risk 1% of my account, which is like $12. And we're going to short it. I think that's a good place for a stop loss, right? Because it's on the hourly, it's there. It's unlikely to go back up above that, hopefully. On the daily, it's in the middle. So I'm going to risk 1% of my account, shorting that with a normal stop loss of there, $5. So we can go like 1,000, which will give us maybe 1,200, which will give us a $9 risk, maybe 1,300, 1,400, gives us an $11 risk. That's close enough. In you go. We can also trade Euro US, which is a horrible, scary thing to trade. So volatile. Let's have a look. I wrote on there, this is breaking out north, wait for a retracement order, because I've got that. See that trend line going down from wherever, from like 2010. Come on, who has trend lines from 2010? What was I thinking? I'm just gonna delete my text there. If I can, I'll delete all these lines. Beep, 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 beep. I'll be deleting it. Yeah, let's delete everything. We'll just look at trends. That's like automatically there. So, okay. So daily, range bound. Do we want to be in here going north? Hourly is north. Minutely is north. When I say north, I mean bullish. Have to wait for that to load. I don't see a good trade here. Like, I want to get in on the daily with safety, but the daily isn't going anywhere. It's just going it down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's more likely to pull back down again down to here. So let's not do Euro US. Let's have a look at Pound Aussie, which is our next on the list. And daily is just had a pullback and it seems to be going north, but is it a great trade? It's not really going anywhere either. This is how I lost all my money, by just going, oh yeah, it's a trend, it must be going up. But it's not. It's totally range bound. It's been range bound since 7th of August, so all month. Had a nice drop there, which I would have liked to have caught, but just not do it. Pound CAD is next on the list. That looks like some lines that I drew in the past. So daily is up. And it's as high as it's ever been in 2020. It has been higher in 2018. Is it going to keep going up? Pound versus CAD. Daily's up. Hourly's up. Minutely's up. Wait for that to load. Have we got any other pound CAD? No, we don't. Is this something I want to be in? Let's look at the daily again. Is it going to keep going north and beat us 2018 prices? Let's look at the weekly, so we can look all the way back in time. Oh, it's been up to $2 in when 2016. I don't know. I'm just going to leave it for now. On to pound for US. I only want good entries, you know. The Aussie New Zealand kind of okay. Because I mean, Aussie New Zealand's always range bound. Breaking north, I say confidently. Delete my text. Delete that. Delete that. Delete. Take profit. I should have hit that take profit, but I was too nervous. Okay, so daily it is seemed to be on a good uptrend. It's got higher lows and higher highs, kind of. But we're already going towards a higher high, so we really want. I guess that would be considered a low, maybe, or there. That's a good pattern, though. I mean, it's a predictable pattern. So this month it has done really well. Zoop, pounds beating the US, and now it's kind of recovering. So I reckon if we put a stop loss here, let's draw a line. Let's see where that line looks on the minutely. We may be able to get in on a good deal. But pound US is also super volatile because all the banks take their fills on it. Let's have a look at the, what do you call that thing? Sentiment. Pound USD. So they say bullish because 35% are long, 65% are short, and the banks are likely to go, yeah, let's take it. So everybody else is short. Okay, let's do it, man. Copy that number. Is that stop loss too close to risk 1% of my account? Let's have a look on the daily. On the daily it's like nothing. It looks like the banks are taking their money right now, so we should be pretty safe to get in now. But I'm still a bit, okay, normal stop loss, set it to there. $5, let's put this at 400, $5.30 as a risk. It's not going to get us anywhere high. Maybe it will. I mean, maybe it will. Let's put in a high risk. It's going to be 1600. No, it's going to be 1000. Gives us $13 risk. 800 gives us $11 risk. Close enough. I hope this is a good move. That I'm worried because the stop loss is so close. But because everybody's short, according to the sentiment, strong bullish contrarian indicator. So contrarian means that the banks are saying, look, everybody's short, so we'll just take everyone's money. Let's add a, I think we have to add it here, an order book. There we go. Let's get rid of that. So the order book for pound USD. I don't even understand this. So these guys want to sell when it gets there, and these guys all want to buy when it gets down. So these guys probably are shorting it, and they've got that. This is their take profit. How to make it look beautiful? Cumulative. Wow. So all these guys have take profits down the bottom. I would say that these are buy orders. Yeah, it's take profits. But all these guys have, I guess, what would you call that? Well, they want to sell it when it gets there. If I was the bank, I would take it shorter. I don't know why this thing, I don't understand anything. I'm just saying, if it's these guys said it's a good indicator, and I'm like, okay, I'll just copy what you say. Okay, we'll see how we go. What else we got? Netherlands in euro. There's no order book for that. That is hourly down, daily down. Not daily. The trend is up, but the candles are down. Minutely down. Waiting. We also got the bonds. We're in the bonds already, the 10 and the 2 year. We'll just wait. Wow. Sorry, we have to wait for the... Let's just refresh the screen. Pew. So this is a 10-year bond, T-note. We are longing that, and we're break even, so that's great. That was our original stop loss, so that we'll just get rid of that. And there's another one. Do we expect that to continue up? Yes, because it's had this downtrend, and now it's breaking out of it and just going up and up and up. Something's happening in the world. Okay, we're looking at pound US. No, we did pound US. We're looking at Netherlands, NL25. L25. Daily trend is up, candles is down, and it's about to break down through the trend. How has it been in the past with downtrends? It has not been great. It likes uptrends more. I am not going to enter, I don't think. I'm going to wait for the... That's like a reversal on the minute. The hourly is still shooting out the bottom. That was a good little run. Okay, we're just going to not touch it. The 2-year bond, I don't want to go into that because we're already in it. We've got a 2-year bond and a 10-year bond. All the US bonds are doing really well. I've got my stop loss break even. Maybe I should move it up to there. It's just shooting out the sky right now. I'll just wait. Okay, next on the list is US CAD. That is a daily and hourly pooper going all the way down. Daily it's range bound. I mean, you can just tell. Maybe I should have not waited for a short so much because I'm already halfway through. I will just not touch it now. And US CHIF next on the list. That was just so many lines. Delete. That's a downward channel. I mean, you can see it without the lines. Why is it not? This is like the bottom. It just keeps on hitting that bottom. Bam, bam again. Is it going to go through it? Is it going to go past $1.84? No, it's not. I don't think so. 84 cents, I mean. Has it ever been past 84 cents? Yes, it's been down in 2011. to 75, but not much. It's going to go up eventually. Right now, I'm not going to touch it. The last one on our list is US Japan. And that it had a beautiful run. Then the bank changed their interest rates, and everybody's like, nope, going down now. I think that's a good one to go down on. It's very predictable and smooth. I like this one. Let's short it. Where to put our stop loss is the next question. What about here? Let's put a little line there. About there, up there. How's it look on the hourly? That looks good. It's already down here. What? How's it look on the daily? Doesn't look very good on the daily. But I mean, the hourly is consistent. It's lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So I think we're pretty we could even put it here. Let's look at it on the minute. Okay, let's do it at the top of that. Okay. Right now it's gone down, it's gone up again, it started to go down, but the trend is still up. Is now the perfect time to enter? Let's move it up a bit more. There, if it goes up, I think that's worth 1% risk. Let's go. I need to copy the value format. See, I like the consistency. It's unlikely to go above that line again. Huh. Famous last words. Maybe we should check the sentiment chart before we go. This is US Japan. Just type it in the URL. US Japan. Sentiment's going to be mixed. Yeah, nobody knows what it's doing, but I do. Well, I hope. Okay, we've got a risk. We're going to do 900. Gives us a risk of 10. Let's go 1,000. Gives us, let's go 1,100 because we're so confident. Boom, done. And that's our trading for today. Thank you for watching. So Aussie Kiwis already almost break even. Yay. I will come back later and check these, make sure they're moving in the right direction, and set the stop loss to break even, but right now it is way too close. It's up there. I'll probably do it in the morning. Thank you for watching my video.